It is finally time for Extreme Benchrest 2023. This is Extreme Field Target, and I'm very excited for this because I will compete in this event as well. So let me take you through and show you what it's all about. These are the targets that we will be shooting at. Now, some of them may be smaller than others or maybe larger than others, and they are set out at different ranges, but we have 4 targets per lane and there's 5 lanes that we have to go through. So it's going to be very interesting to compete in a competition like this. I've never done it before, so I'm really excited to see if the hunter inside me can come out. So basically how this works, this is the aim point, and you have to hit it somewhere on the orange and it will tip over and that will count as a point. So at the end of the day, if they just want to reset it, we have rigged these things up to work remotely. They can just press the remote and it will reset for the next shot. So really excited to see what's going to happen here.
I'm John Bagakis here from California, shooting the Extreme Benchrest. We're doing the Extreme Field Target today. I was using my Daystate Red Wolf high power 25 caliber with an Athlon scope, impulse air moderator, and our teammate Glenn Horner's barrel tensioning device. I left 3 targets out there, and this was a rather challenging course. We had a bit of wind early on, but it's no cakewalk. I don't know if my down 3 is going to be enough, but I'm hoping it is.
So my name is Wes Crisp, and I'm shooting a Daystate Red Wolf 22 caliber high power, running an Athlon Aries scope.
Hi, I'm Marno Deno from South Africa. This is my first time here in the States at EBR, and I competed in the field target with my Daystate Red Wolf Safari, and I had a blast of a time because it's the first time ever competing in a field target match, and it was really interesting, especially with the wind here in Arizona. It was nice. I think I could have shot much better. I think for the experience for myself, it was tons of fun, and I can only improve on what I did. So I'm very happy to be here and to be able to compete in that event as well. So it was really nice.
Steel Scramble is an NRL styled event where shooters take aim over various obstacles to targets at various ranges. It's a fun filled event that really tests your skills in a totally different way.
Hey guys, I'm Jessica with Iguana Solutions and I'm out here at EBR 2023 and I'm super excited to be shooting the Extreme Benchrest, the Extreme Field Target, the Steel Scramble and a couple other events like 50 yards. I'm going to be shooting the Ghost in a 22 cal. I have it in the higher powered version, which is the longest barrel, and I have the largest bottle on it. The best part of coming out here is all the new knowledge that you get and being able to talk to people and improve your shot, improve the way that you're tuning your gun and all those sort of things. Patagonia Airguns came through yesterday for me. Thanks so much, Claudio, with helping me with my trigger pull and other things like that. So greatly recommend getting out here, having fun, possibly winning money, and improving your shot and your gun by learning from everybody with the wealth of knowledge that shows up at this event.
And just like that, EBR today comes to a standstill. Everything is done with. We are finished with Field Target and Steel Scramble. It was tons of fun. It is extremely hot out here in the desert, but man, oh man, I really enjoyed it. So tomorrow we're up for a new adventure. So I'm ready for that and looking so much forward to it.
I just want to give a big thanks to Daystate and Airguns of Arizona who made it possible for me to be at Extreme Benchrest 2023, and also to Tristan Spencer from Atlas Airguns who filmed alongside me and gave me more footage to use. It was nearly impossible to film everyone and everything and also compete in the competition. Without all you guys, this would really not be possible. So again, thank you so much. Coming up next,